Hey everyone, welcome back to another video walkthrough here with 66 Property. My name is Alex. I'm going to show you this 2-bedroom condo here at DCondo SIgn, right next to Central Festival Shopping Mall. So as you come in, I'm standing at the door. As you come in, this is a little dining area here with some built-in shelves. These are specially made. Don't really come with other condos, generally speaking. There's one bedroom over here, living area, and one bedroom there, and the kitchen's right here. This unit has a brand new kitchen built in, but let me just quickly show you the shared bathroom here. This is the bathroom with shower, and there's a rain shower as well. That's pretty typical of DCondo. DCondo is this group of buildings near Central Festival. There's DCondo SIgn, DCondo Rin, Ping, and Nim. And DCondo SIgn is the one that is closest to, this is the second bedroom by the way, DCondo SIgn is the one that's closest to the walkway that goes to Central Festival, which is right over there. That's Central Festival right there. We're on 4th floor, so we have a nice view of the courtyard. Behind that fitness is the swimming pool. So it's an inside view unit, which is really nice. You want inside view. It's more green, you get more pool view. Outside view is not really as nice, I would say, so it's always preferable to be on the inside. Okay, here we have the living room area as well. Nice and cozy. And the kitchen over here. Now this is brand new built-in kitchen with cooking, hot plate, and extractor, and this is not typical in the DCondos either. They usually just come with a kitchenette counter, no cooking, no built-in cooking. So this is a little bit special, which makes this unit more attractive. Over here we got the washing machine, and you got a little balcony here for, you know, smoking or whatever. And as you can see there is the swimming pool right there. This is one of the biggest pools, community pools in Chiang Mai. Let me just show you guys the place here from this angle. And over here is the master bedroom. Over here we got closet space, open closet space, and the private ensuite bathroom, which is just a copy of the shared one, but you know, a little bit more privacy. And here we have nice view to the outside. You got some green colors coming in from all this nature. So this is pretty typical for DCondo to have this kind of park type common area. You got the fitness right over there, and that's the office where you can complain if you need to about anything. Anyway, what's cool about DCondo is the fact that you got the shopping mall there, and on the other side of these buildings there's a walkway. And this is the closest. DCondo SIgn is the one that I can recommend to live in because it's the closest to the walkway. DCondo SIgn and the brand new DCondo Rin, which means you can walk over to Central Festival if you need to, and yeah, whereas if you're at Ping or Nim, by the time you get to Central Festival, you're probably sweating balls. Alright, here you go. Anyway, this is currently for rent. Please check the description for the price. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, contact us or check our website, 66property.com. Have a great day.